Hey there, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to make a quick video on my channel, Power Stroke Maintenance, about the max spare tire size that you can run on a 2019 or a 2017 to 2019 Ford Super Duty. Now, for those of you that have trucks out of that range or have, one of the newer, maybe 23s, I am pretty sure that Ford basically changes zero year over year in these trucks, except for the interior and maybe the engine / transmission. A lot of the other stuff is the same. Like, these trucks have the same ball joints that the trucks did in 1999.
Okay, so the short of it is, these trucks can fit up to a 35/12.50 spare tire. You'll see I got about a finger width right here. You have maybe 3 to 4 finger widths on the exhaust pipe where it clears the tire. I haven't had any problems with the exhaust getting too hot that it damages this spare tire at all. But you'll see it clears in the back by about a finger width. It clears up here by about a finger width, and on the top, right here, it's really snug, but it fits. It definitely hangs down a little bit. 35/12.50 spare fits. I've had no trouble with the winch. I've taken it off once to use it kind of as a jack stand for when I was rotating my tires and I didn't have a jack stand, so I would take one tire off, put the spare on. But yeah, no issues. I just have kind of a crappy steel wheel with it that is currently mounted on the tire, but this way, if I'm out and I'm driving around with my 35s, I can still have a spare that works, a full-size spare, so I don't have to run something that's the wrong size if I get stranded or stuck somewhere. And here's the other side. You can see about a finger width of clearance here, right up in there. You can fit a finger. I still have the stock hoist for the spare tire, and then the back here you can see how much it clears. But yeah, I mean, 35 spare fits. I think if you went to a 37, it would definitely not fit. So if you're gonna go up again, I would definitely consider getting one of the trophy truck hitches from Carly. That does let you put a 37 or up to a 38-inch tire underneath the vehicle. That's gonna do it. Kind of a short video, but I figured pretty self-explanatory. Max tire size 17 through 19, 35/12.50. You can fit it in there. The hoist works. I've taken it in and out multiple times, so I really wouldn't worry about it. I hope that's helpful to you if you own one of these trucks. Again, I would just double check. Ford doesn't change a lot about their trucks year over year. Usually just interior and the powertrain, and then everything else, the supporting components, just stay the same. It's probably why there's so many issues, but I digress. Yeah, just double check. I would take a look and make sure to measure that you have the span, so you could just find the diameter of one of your 35-inch tires, and then you could measure the diameter of the spare tire well, and then once you have that, you'll be able to tell whether or not width-wise your spare will fit. But 35/12.50 goes on the 17 through 19s, and it should go on the other years, but nothing bigger than the 35/12.50. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you spending your time on Power Stroke Maintenance, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.